Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. We're going to be talking about Solana. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. It's getting exciting. We're getting closer to the halvening. Bitcoin between the halvening and the ETF is just rocketing up. We've seen all kinds of stuff happening, but I want to talk about Shiba Inu because people are starting to talk about it and they're asking why is the price rising. Now, just for clarification, I do own some Shiba Inu. I bought it a while ago and it's doing pretty good. As a matter of fact, in the last week, it's went up 41%, and my Solana is up 28% in the last week. So that's doing really well too. Okay. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but listen, this is what I will say. When one asset class is taking off and rocketing, you want to be able to take some profits. Okay. Now, I'm not going to be taking my profits for the next couple of weeks, see what happens, but you want to be able to take profits and put them into another bag. You want to be completely diversified. We're going to be going over a story out of Crypto Potato, and it's entitled The Reasons Behind the Shiba Inu 25% Surge. Real quick, if you have any stuff sitting on exchanges, just know it's at risk. I do have some on exchanges because I'm trading it. So I need that liquidity. But most 99% of my cryptocurrency is offline, held on a Trezor device. I'll put a link down below for that. Also, we have a few hours left of the real estate crash course. It's 75% off. It's bringing it down to $299. If you guys want to take advantage of that and you want to learn about real estate cycles and how to take some of these profits and roll them into real estate during this next real estate crash, you go from the highs in crypto into the lows of real estate and watch what happens. It'll be pretty exciting. All right, so that link's down below. There's a couple hours left. I think 4 hours left on that sale. It says, check out what could have fueled the impressive price spike of Shiba Inu today. And this story is dated February 29th. I know this video comes out the next day, okay? It says, Shiba Inu price explosion. The popular meme coin, Shiba Inu, has been among the best performing cryptocurrencies in the past 24 hours, witnessing a price increase of over 25%. Moreover, its market capitalization surpassed the $8.5 billion mark for the first time this year. Its remarkable rally comes at a time when Bitcoin trades well above the $60,000 mark, while Ethereum, Solana, and many other altcoins have peaked at multi-year highs. I want to remind you that as Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins trend up. Usually Bitcoin leads that pack, but then when Bitcoin starts to slow down, people start selling off their Bitcoin, putting into altcoins, and it causes rocket fuel, and it's called altcoin season. If you know what I'm talking about, type 1 down below. Also, hashtag your favorite cryptocurrency, your favorite project, so other people can see it down in the comments below. I'm not saying to buy or sell any of these. I'm just telling you what I own. I have not sold any of mine I have not sold a cryptocurrency in like a while. It's been a while. I liquidated a little bit. It was actually near the lows to buy another project, and I'm totally happy with what I did. But I haven't really sold any cryptocurrency since I started buying in 2017. So that'll sort of tell you where I'm at mentally. I think that we're going to see much higher prices in many different cryptos over the next handful of years. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization inches towards the $2.5 trillion level, with some industry participants expecting this to be just the beginning of a massive bull run that could last into the near future. Another element that might have positively impacted SHIB's performance as of late is the frenzy in the meme coins niche. Dogecoin witnessed a 30% jump on the daily scale. Bonk, which is tied up with Bonk's a whole nother game. Skyrocketed 40%. It's tied up with Solana. While Dog Wi-Fi Hat hit an all-time high. I'm not a buyer of that one. According to Into the Block, over 56% of Shiba Inu's holders currently sit on paper profits. The trends were much different in September last year, when approximately 90% of SHIB investors were underwater. One additional factor, it's worth noting that Shiba Inu's price ascent came shortly after the development team behind the meme coin introduced a new tool for enhancing user privacy. As Crypto Potato reported, the innovation known as fully homomorphic encryption, or FHE, enables complete on-chain data protection to members of the SHIB community. Satoshi Kusama, one of the developers leading the meme coin, said that the tool is a seminal milestone in delivering their promise to turn the SHIB community into a nation state of Shibians. We've all got branding. Dr. Rand Hindi, an entrepreneur and CEO of Zama, chipped in too, arguing that FHE will catalyze the growth of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and allow a wide range of new use cases on the platform. Look, I told you this. I own Shiba Inu. I've owned it for quite some time, and on weakness, I've been picking it up. My position is looking really strong. But remember, there are times we've got to pull back and take profits. I will be holding on into the near term going into this halvening because the frenzy is going to keep picking up, in my opinion. This isn't trading advice. But I am also looking to capitalize my profits and pulling them in to my real estate corporation to start picking up real estate next year when we see a whole nother downturn. So it's all about taking money from strength, putting it into weakness, letting that weakness build into strength, and then taking that strength and going into something else. That's what economic cycles are all about. That's what Warren Buffett is famously doing. He's been doing it in front of us for decades, and now we need to take action and action now. If you guys want the real estate crash course, the blueprint to teach you about real estate cycles, economic cycles, and what you need to do right now to get ready for this real estate crash is down below. It's 75% off. There's a handful of hours left. If you want it, cool. If not, don't worry about it. But I do give a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you watch less than 50% of the videos, in 14 days, you say, this isn't going to change my life, I'll give you all your money back. But I can pretty much guarantee you're not going to do that because there's nobody teaching this out there on the internet. And I'm still putting out new lessons. So once you lock in your price and you're into the community, the new lessons that drop on that course, free of charge. Hope you guys got something. The Economic Ninja is out.